The National Weather Service in Duluth, Minnesota has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Cass County until 6:30 p.m. At 5:27 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Leader, or 23 miles west of Brainerd, moving east at 10 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will remain over mainly rural areas of southwestern Cass County, including the following locations: Casino and Esterdy. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.